tell me, hang tight, it's all just temporary. Don't fight, none of it's in our hands. Lose sight of what isn't necessary. Oh no, we don't know what is coming next. So slow, the days don't pass us by. I go crazy staying here once again, my friend. But I don't even know where we are, and I don't even know where we are going. It seems like it's never too far, but if you wanna go, then just take me where you are. Just take me where you are. Try to stay entertained, watch a movie, read another book. I even took the time to make a puzzle with you. I'm running out of ideas of the things we can do to get through. But I don't even know where we are, and I don't even know where we are going. It seems like it's never too far, but if you wanna go, then just take me where you are. Just take me where you are. Just take me where you are. But if you wanna go, then just take me where you are. Just take me where you are. But I don't even know where we are, and I don't even know where we are going. It seems like it's never too far, but if you wanna go, then just take me where you are.
I was trying to forget you, staying sober, feeling numb, seeing you in empty spaces, silent screaming that you're gone. Left up our heart, what you promised undone, battling your lies with my heart and my soul, breaking me down into pieces I fell for you. And now I can get you out of my memory. In the darkness there's a picture of you and me. And if I look back, broken remembering,